Hello, guys. Welcome to another live at Voice of Crypto with David Blonde. So, before we get into any content, I would love to do our quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. Okay. With that said, we are about to start today's live. I wish you happy Easter wherever you are in the world. So, let's have a look in what is actually going on this crazy crypto market. And today's topic it is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is outperforming crazy, which I'm actually very happy about it because I'm also trading Dogecoin. And if you missed the previous pump, don't freak because Dogecoin it is likely to break even. So for that reason, we are going to have a look on the T8 side and also on the holding side. On the holding side, I am personally waiting for the all-time high or even to go, further on Dogecoin. So I'm not gonna sell it. And on a trading perspective, let's have a look right now as is doing really, really well. But if you are holding, that's all I want to say. Like I wouldn't, not financial advice, but I would not sell it yet if you are holding on a long term. Okay. So we currently flipping everything here, which is crazy. I remember saying that I had a 0.20 target price, which was the previous top, but we currently breaking resistance. And when we break resistance, it is show time. Okay, so we broke the resistance level. So now what to expect next for Dogecoin? Well, we could expect a pump around 25, 0.26 or even further. Um, at least three pumps each is normally to happen. Okay, we had the previous one which led us into 0.20. We have in the second one which we went all the way to 0.22, and we are likely to see one more volley. Well, it is possible to have four pumps, okay, but it is likely to be three. So just pay attention on that. And if you are holding on a long term side, do not sell it yet. I would personally, not financial advice, I would just cash out when it's a little bit around 26 at least or even further. Okay. These altcoins move really, really heavy once Bitcoin stops. So keep your eyes on it. And I think it is an interesting meme going to be looking at. So coming back to the BTC chart, let me just refresh the data. So guys, Bitcoin, one second. So Bitcoin seems to be holding at this level, okay? And today is a holiday mostly everywhere in the world. So I'm not sure if we're likely to see this pump today or the weekend or on Monday, okay? But it is imminent. This pump is going to happen. So if you're not longing BTC yet, it might be an interesting opportunity for you. Wait a couple of hours, at least more 4 to 8 hours to see what is going to happen. But if we keep just going sideways here, it is a very good sign. The trade never stays far from the 200 AMA. So we could have a small correction to 67 and pump, or we could just go from here to the sky. And once we break this level of 70 to 73K, I expect Bitcoin to hit 80,000. Okay. And also the halving is at the corner. Ethereum ETF is a lot of bullish things going on. And yes, I'm very happy and confident that Bitcoin is going to go further. Talking about Ethereum today, actually, Ethereum is not doing that much at the moment. It's going sideways, 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 which is also an interesting opportunity for those who missed this trading opportunity, because I don't see Ethereum going lower. We are just going sideways to the next pump and the next level to be very, very watching closely. It is 4,000 USDT, 3,900. So these levels are the levels of resistance that, it is, the market has memory. he has to look for it. Okay, so he's always looking for support and resistance. However, if we break one of these, we can see a crazy movement. And we know about the Ethereum ETF because we had a look yesterday. And if you have seen the video, go to yesterday live and you are going to see the Ethereum ETF. So it's likely to happen. Today, I don't know what's going to happen. It is Friday, Easter. Let's keep watching to see what the price will do. Coming to CoinMarketCap, today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap, the global crypto market cap is 2.65 trillion, a 0.24 decrease over the last day. Nothing crazy really. Fear and greedy index is on 82, so pretty much at the same place. I don't know if something is going to happen today. Things seems to be quiet, but let's go over to today's top news on Cointelegraph. So Bitcoin to attract 1 trillion from institutions amid ranging bull market. So Bitcoin, Bitwise Chief Investor Office, Matthew, expect 1 trillion of inflows in the global wealth managers allocate 1% of the portfolio into Bitcoin. So, guys, this is absolutely bullish for Bitcoin, and it is one indicator. It's not like we should be based on news, but just imagine if that happens, 1 trillion inflows into Bitcoin, that could, it could go skyrocket very, very soon. Bitwise Chief Investor Office, Matthew Hogan, said institutional investors will likely inject as much as 1 trillion into BTC, both exchange traded funds ETF, as they slowly move into crypto. In a memo sent to investment professionals, Hogan addressed the concern over Bitcoin price volatility as the asset bounced between 60,000 and 70,000. The execute say the best approach would be to keep calm and take a long view. I agree. So here is the tweet from Bitwise. 1% down, 9% to go. Reflection on the ETF launch. Unexpected, except from Bitwise CIO Matt Wicks memo to investment professionals. Lately, the crypto market have been volatile, with Bitcoin bouncing between 60K and 70,000. And if you know how to trade support and resistance, you can definitely make the most of this movement up and down. The media gets breathlessly worried about every pullback and outrageously excited about every run up. My advice, keep calm and take the long view. I agree. While the price seems unstable in the short term, Hogan noted many key events to look forward to the income months and years. These include the Bitcoin halving and the spot Bitcoin ETF getting approved on a national account platform like Morgan Stanley or Wells Fargo. Those are very, very strong ones. Furthermore, the execute highlighted that this pace has to wait for investment committees and consultants still conducting their formal due diligence on a Bitcoin. This is a necessary step they have to take before investing in the asset. Related Bitcoin halving, latest news and full coverage by Cointelegraph. So Hogan say that while the space waits for the key events, the BTC price will likely chop sideways whenever there are a small chance in the sentiment. However, the investment office believes that things would be different long term, Hogan wrote. But long term, we believe Bitcoin is in a raging bull market. Not only is it up nearly 300% in the past 15 months, but we have strong reasons to think that will continue. According to Hogan, the spot Bitcoin ETF approved in January opened a crypto to investment professionals in a major way, related to three theories why the SEC might be ailing down Ethereum crypto layer. He also believes that investment Professionals who control trillions of dollars are just starting to move into crypto. Hogan highlighted that onboarding more professional investors would take years, not months. The executive also say that 12 billion following into ETFs since they launched is an exciting and the most successful ETF launch of all time. However, he believes that once global wealth managers begin to allocate 1% of their portfolio into Bitcoin, this would mean 1 trillion in inflows into the space, as 1% allocation across the board would mean 1 trillion of inflows into the space. Against this 12 billion, it's a borrowing down payment, he added. None of this content it is a financial advice, as you know, but I would like to give my opinion also on the Bitcoin ETF. This so far by itself has been the most successful ETF in the history of humanity. And we all know that Bitcoin is a massive, massive asset against our current financial situation, which is absolutely bad. Okay. So uh, I've been in crypto for a couple of years, and it's nice to see this mass adoption coming in. And if you are holding Bitcoin from 5 years ago or even before, do not sell your crypto, because these people are coming into our market and they will try to do everything to manipulate, to play with the prices, and to get your Bitcoin from you. So be very aware of that, and make your own decisions end of the day. But so far, the Bitcoin ETF, it is the best ETF. And Ethereum ETF is coming as well. And as they mentioned, they're going to have another big institution taking the Bitcoin ETF, and that's going to lead our industry into a massive, massive monetary system. So, like, actually, Bitcoin is the only thing you own eventually in this world. So I am personally, not financial advice, not selling for these institutions and big corporations, because I've been here for so long and they were talking against crypto for a long time, but it is inevitable the success of Bitcoin and other ETFs such as Ethereum, and they are going to embrace right now. And then average people will start buying and buying and buying. That's why we're not seeing any drop so far in the crypto market. It's my personal opinion. But now, though, if you want to be on top of this news every single day, you should definitely join Voice of Crypto Telegram and visit the website, because we are working here to put the effort and to deliver the best valuable content for you. Coming back to CoinMarketCap, let's have a look on the gainers and losers today. So here we go, dog with a hat. It is on a first place today. Is 16.43% up. The price is currently at 3.65. And, this thing has no top at the moment. Dog with a hat is just going up and up and up. So if you are looking to trade this meme coin, be careful. But if you do, wait for a better momentum to enter and exit. But to sell it, it is a little bit difficult to sell dog with a hat. Personally, I am not shorting this meme coin because it's really, really strong to the upside. So be careful out there. Bitcoin Cash on a second place, which is actually interesting. It's up 11.10% on the past 24 hours. The price is currently at 633.94. Tier on a third place today, currently trading at 15.25. It's up 10.48% on the past 24 hours. We have Litecoin. I am expecting Litecoin to move a little bit more, because I think whatever is behind this, it's very, very powerful, but it's not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion. And it's currently trading at 102.77 and is up 8.11%. Okay, Ethereum Classic is here as well, currently trading at 34.59 and 7.41% up. So, like, nothing crazy like 40% or 20%, but we have seen nice movements. BNB is also close to where I've mentioned. We're currently flipping the 600 level. It is trading at 60 640.98 and is up 5.23%. We're likely to see BNB around 1,000 at this bull market for sure. Anyways, so Uniswap is up 4.33% and is currently trading at 12.91. So we have other coins to keep tracking on. So it's one of my, interesting allocations for this bull market as well. We have a lot of opportunities, but if you are looking into buy, we have to come to the top losers. And today, the top loser is Shiba. Wow. So Shiba has been down 5.29% on the past 24 hours and is currently at 0.0000308. And it might be an interesting opportunity for us to long Shiba very soon. Tau as well, price is currently at 529.1 1.16. So it's down 4.74%. Pepe, it is on a third place of losers today, which is not much happening really. It's down 4.13%. Flocky and Dogecoin is pumping like crazy and is still on the top losers. So this is one more indicator that we should definitely keep looking into Dogecoin. This is going to flip crazy. And imagine if if the probability of Dogecoin hitting $1. Okay, we literally at 21 cents and $1 it is a massive profit and is very likely to happen on the bull market. Okay, but it's not financial advice. And Near Protocol, it is an interesting to put on your basket, currently down 3.29%. Chainlink, Phantom and others. Vendor, it is an interesting one as well. Let's have a look on crypto bubbles to see what we could potentially buy today. That's the daily, but let's go to the week. So with a hat, it is leading, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Although it's an interesting as well, an interesting one to have a look. FTM is down 19.1%. That's why I like to come to crypto bubbles sometimes, because it's a dynamic and interesting way to see what is up, what is down. So whatever is down in a week, it is an interesting buying opportunity, such as Casper, Tau, FTM, Faith, XMR. For AI, it is actually pumping. As I mentioned, it is an interesting one as well. I've got a couple of bucks on that. TCS is down 18.3% and Avalanche. So, however, is down around 20% to 10%. It is an interesting one to track if you missed the previous pumps on the other coins. But if you did, don't feel that you left behind, because we are literally just entering the beginning of the bull market. So if you are interested on trading these meme coins, just keep tracking it. There is opportunity for all of us. And if you like to be on top of news, don't forget to join our Telegram. And guys, I hope you make the most of this bull market. I'll see you next Monday at Voice of Crypto. Thank you so much.